how I managed to earn 31,711 euros and 82 cents with the help of Chat GPT. It's the year of 2022. I just opened my first dropshipping store. All the gurus on the internet promised me a Lamborghini and Adriana Lima in only 3 weeks. I was full of ambition and motivation, but soon I realized that my dream of financial freedom was still super far away. I made many mistakes and lost more money, but this is all part of the game. Fast forward a few months of December 22. I never really managed to make more profit than 2,000 euros a month, except of November and December because of the holidays. I tried a lot. Improved my landing page, reduced my Google Ads spending, add a new product to my store, a lot of things, but the result remained the same. It was a frustrating feeling. I knew I could earn a lot more, as I managed to do so with one product. But I didn't know how to replicate that success. Maybe it was just a unicorn. Maybe I was super lucky, but maybe I just needed the help of Chat GPT. It was the beginning of January when I first heard about ChatGPT. Back then, I didn't fully understand the potential of ChatGPT. I read on the internet that many people tried it for e-commerce, so I decided to try it out. I knew that product research is really difficult, and I wonder if ChatGPT, with the amount of data it has, could help me. Let's pretend for the rest of the video that dog products are my niche. So I asked ChatGPT to list all the products that are bought for dogs. I received the list and it deeply shocked me. Within a second, I got 100 products that were suitable for my shop. All I had to do was check on Google how many people looked for those products and whether it was competitive with other products on Google Shopping. It was as easy as taking candy from a baby, and I enjoyed it. And now let's talk about the illegal part. Everybody knows dropshippers are not that transparent with their testimonials. Many give fake customer reviews or fabricated ratings for the products. But with artificial intelligence, this can be taken to a whole new level. Imagine if Donald Trump, President Biden, or Obama would praise your product on your website.
Don't you think this would boost your conversion rate?
And if an elderly woman would go to your website and see Donald Trump using your product,
but that would guarantee a sale.
I understand this is totally unethical, but where's the line?
Between a fake Amazon review
In a fake AI testimonial.
However, I'm sure that this will do many dropshippers in the future. There's also another AI tool that is really helpful. You can have an individual Google image picture for your website. If you test a product, sometimes pictures are overused, and if you don't want to have the same picture over and over again, you can paint your picture by AI. I understand sometimes it doesn't work, but sometimes you have really good results. It is perfect for product testing if you don't want to hire someone who should do Photoshop job for you, and if you just want to save time. But that wasn't all ChatGPT helped me with. My page consists of many copy texts. You have to imagine that 3 years ago, writing a sales text was a high art, and there were people who charged 4 figures for that art. But this whole profession was eliminated because of ChatGPT. Personally, for me, it was really difficult to write a text, and to hire someone to do that was really expensive. But since ChatGPT, I can fill a whole page with a beautiful sales text within 10 seconds. Back then, it took me 7 to 8 hours. Thanks to the efficiency of ChatGPT, I saved about 85 to 90% of my time. Also, I was able to create a blog and post daily dog-related posts within 2,000 words. If it weren't for ChatGPT, I wouldn't have quadrupled my profit. Let's now talk about the most important question. How much profit did I earn from January the 1st till April the 1st?